guys, how you going? This is part of a how-to series on the Tesvor M1. So what we're doing today is we're looking at cleaning all the brushes. So what we do, it came with this little piece of foam, which is fantastic. If you haven't thrown it out yet, just put yourself down a tea towel or some sort of soft surface so you don't damage it. Okay. So grab your unit, flip it upside down. Okay. Alright, so let's okay. So the tools you're going to need for this job is a little brush. So you can use nose pliers like I've got, or even just some little tweezers. Tweezers would be actually perfect. And then also a soft cloth, just to wipe things down. Okay, so we'll start with these two brushes here. So these, again, just grab them, they just pop up, okay? Now what you'll find is that, especially hair, as you can see, it's clogged in quite a bit, but it's pretty simple. These brushes are designed to be cleaned very, very easily, okay? Now sometimes the hairs can get caught in here, so just make sure you clean them up properly. Too simple, get the brush, make sure there's nothing around there. That's done, simply pop it back on. Again, remember white and L with white and L. Okay, let's do the other side. Now you're lucky when you received your unit, you would have received replacement brushes. Okay, nice and simple. And again, yellow and R, yellow and R. Okay, now with this brush head, it's a little bit different, but just as easy. Okay, so let's turn this around. Okay, so there's two little clips here, just push them in, that comes off, nice and easy. Now while you've got this off, give it a bit of a brush. Okay, now nice and simple, grab it, it just comes straight out. How simple is that? Alright, now while it's out, just give inside here a quick brush. Okay, too easy. Alright, let's pop this out of the way. Okay, now what happens with this is you often just get lots of hair, whether you've got dog hair, human hair. So you just go through, pluck it all out. Doesn't take much effort at all. Again, I've had it cleaning my wife's, or should I say, I've had it cleaning the ensuite today. And yeah, all of the wife's long hair. And that's the thing, you've got to realise that with these brushes, this vacuum cleaner is going to get into places which you've probably never cleaned. So expect to be cleaning it quite a bit initially, because it will be picking up lots of stuff which has been there for potentially years. But then what happens is, as the house gets cleaner, it'll be picking up less and less stuff, and therefore you'll have less and less maintenance. Okay. All right. That's pretty much everything. And again, give it a quick dust. Too easy. I don't know if you can see it, but there's all the hair there. Pop that to the side. Okay, we'll bring this back in. Alright, now this can only go in one way. So there's a little square side here, and a round side here, and there's a little white square box there. That slides in, and then you push that down. Okay, now it doesn't click in place or anything, it just pushes into its spot. Okay, and then same with this. So this only can go in one way. You can see there's two small little lugs here, and then two bigger clips here, and the two small ones go on here, like so. Put them in first, then push that down, and that's it. So you'll hear that click in place. Too easy. Okay, and then while you're under here, again, there's a couple of sensors. Just clean that up. These are the actual pads for recharging. Give them a bit of a dust. These wheels, give them a bit of a dust also, if you see any hairs in those. Same with this, it doesn't hurt to give this a bit of a dust out. You can spin these wheels around. Okay, so that's all the basic mechanics for the brushes. Too easy. Hi guys, so that was nice and easy. So I didn't even end up using my tweezers or pliers. So there's a lot more videos in this series. So if there's any particular thing that you're interested in, you'll see that there's a video link and a playlist with everything that you need to know. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. If you're interested in the channel, subscribe. And again, if you know anyone that wants to buy a robot vac, again, make sure you share this with them. All right, see you next time, guys. Bye.